Hello everyone. Now we are going to look into standard 8 geometry. Construct a quadrilateral with the given measurements and also find its area. The given quadrilateral is mind. In this, the given measurements are MI is given 3.6 centimeter, ND is equal to 4 centimeter and MD is equal to 4 centimeter. Angle M is given 50 degrees and angle D is given 100 degrees. Now let us construct the quadrilateral. First let us draw the rough diagram. Draw a four-sided figure. The exact measurements is not required for the rough diagram. Now let us mark M, I, N, D. Now mark the measurements. MI is given 3.6 centimeter. ND is equal to 4 centimeter. This is ND. MD is equal to 4 centimeter. Now angle M is given 50 degrees. So let us mark here 50 degrees. Angle D is equal to 100 degrees. So it is angle D 100 degrees. Now let us draw the FAR diagram. First we are going to draw the line segment MI is equal to 3.6 centimeter. MI 3.6 centimeter. Now you can see angle M is given 50 degrees. Now let us draw 50 degrees. Using protractor, we are going to construct angle M is equal to 50 degrees. Place the protractor on the point M and mark 50 degrees. Here you have to take the inner readings. Here the point M, on the point M you have placed the protractor. So from the opposite side you are going to take the measurements. Here you have to take the inner readings. So here you can see this is 50 degrees. Mark 50 degrees and now join these 2 points. You can mark it as X. Now you can see here MD is given 4 centimeter. So take the compass and ruler and measure 4 centimeters. Now with M as center and radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc which cuts MX at this point D. This is 4 centimeter. Angle M is 50 degrees. Now let us draw angle D is equal to 100 degrees. Now you can rotate your book so that it will be easy for you to draw the angle. Place the protractor on the point D and mark 100 degrees. You have to take this inner readings. So here you are going to mark the point. This is 100 degrees. Now let us join these 2 points. Mark it as Y. Now it is given ND is given, here you can see ND is given 4 centimeters. So with D as center and radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc. Measure 4 centimeters using ruler. Now let us draw the arc. With D as center, radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc which cuts DY at this point N. Now let us join IN. This is 4 centimeter. Now let us join DI. This is the diagonal. Now let's measure the diagonal. Here diagonal measurement is not given. We have drawn the diagonal. Now let us measure the diagonal. It is 3.2 centimeter. So let me write here 3.2 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the heights h1 and h2. Let us find the heights. Let us draw a perpendicular line. Place the set square on the diagonal and draw a perpendicular line. Now let's draw another perpendicular line on the opposite side. This is 90 degrees. Now let us measure the height. Using ruler we are going to measure the height. This is 3.3 centimeter. Let us name it as h1. Now let us measure the other height using the ruler. It is 2.7 centimeter. Name it as h2. Now let us find the area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral is equal to, the formula is half into d into h1 plus h2 square units. Half into, here the diagonal is, we have measured here, the diagonal is 3.2 centimeter into h1 is 3.3 plus h2 is 2.7 centimeter square, which is equal to, you can cancel here, 2 ones are 2 point, here you can, it is 12 now. So 2 6 are 12. So 2 into 1.6 will give you 3.2. Now let us multiply 1.6 into, add these two. 3.3 plus 2.7, it is equal to 6. Now when you multiply 1.6 and 6, so 1.6 into 6 is, you will be getting 9.6 centimeter square. This is the area of this quadrilateral. Thank you.